7 Surprising Uses for Beet Juice. While many of us associate beets with hearty Russian fare, it turns out that beet juice offers more than just the foundation of a filling borscht. Here are 7 pleasantly surprising uses for beet juice, which can improve your hair, skin, and overall health. Anti-aging potential. Vitamin A and carotenoids are both found in beet greens, not the roots. While most people assume you should cut off the greens and just eat the root, this is one case where eating the greens can actually benefit you inside and out. Beet greens also have a decent amount of lutein in them, though not quite as much collard greens. The antioxidants in beetroot can protect the body from free radicals, which may help fight wrinkles. Drinking a beet and carrot juice can fight UV ray damage, but you should still apply an SPF lotion when outside. Improves heart health. Consuming beet juice can make blood vessels more flexible, which means less of a workload for the heart is required to carry out different daily activities. Thanks to this benefit, it can help improve heart failure symptoms and increase exercise endurance in elderly people who want to stay active. Fights acne. Drinking beet juice daily can also prevent various skin conditions like acne and boils, and even clear up existing pimples as well, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Prevents hair loss or breakage. Hair loss or breakage, drink beet juice daily. These nutrients will help protect the structural integrity of their hair strand, and maintain the hair follicle's absorption of nutrients, preventing hair breakage and hair loss. Dye hair naturally. If you want to tint your hair and don't want to use harsh chemicals that can damage your locks, you can mix henna with beet juice for a beautiful result. You can even use beet juice on your own to get more of a noticeably reddish tint, or stick to both ingredients for a darker auburn hue. May fight cancer. Studies have shown that beets have anti-cancerous properties within them, specifically beta-cyanine. This pigment, responsible for the vegetable's reddish hue, can help eliminate the toxins in chemotherapy drugs from the body and may even prevent the growth of tumors. It may be particularly useful for people suffering from lung, skin, stomach, and breast cancer. Improves energy. Incorporating beet juice into your daily routine may also improve your stamina and increase your energy. If you need a boost while exercising, this all-natural energy drink can come in handy.